Damn, this shit crazy. We really getting off on 63rd right now. Oh, what? Damn, merch. Shit really lit. Parkway Guard. They taking a quick little.
Oh, you live? What up?
How you feeling, dude?
I feel a little bit better.
Tell them what we doing today, man.
We going to Chicago today, man.
Nah. Tell them what we really doing.
Isaiah with AZ Angry Face reports.
Shit. Anyway, so right now we're on our way to Chicago. So we're about to do some door dashing down here in Chicago. Like I said, in here, like we there already and shit. But I never door dashed in Chicago, but I mean it's the third biggest city in the world, so you know, like I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a lot of action down there. So head down there, door dash, and see how much I can make.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave.
All right, losers. So we just touched down in Chicago, and as you can see, it's busting. And I'm gonna let y'all know how much I made by the end of the night and shit. So inspire one of y'all to come down here and get
For you penny pinching ass niggas.
Penny pinching ass, broken ass, fucked up. You know, fuck y'all. Fuck this channel. I'm done with this. Turn the camera off. Turn the camera. It is 5:11. We just touched down. Just started the dash. This is the first dash.
Yeah!
Big Zay with the order, man.
Boozy, what the fuck?
The fuck? Oh, it's the chocolate?
Yes, bro. Oh my god! It's nice. I took a girl here, bro. Best date ever. I ain't gonna. That was a fun ass date. Bro, I don't know what the fuck in here. There's like DoorDash. I was like, yeah. There was like, here you go, hun.
DoorDash? She said, hun?
Yeah,
oh, you ain't cried? Look at that.
Yeah. I got a fart. Why the fuck you tell us you got a fart?
I'm officially the what it is.
He don't know what the fuck today is. Fuck your nightlists, fuck your daddies, fuck your playlist. Bitch, I'm from the D. Fuck your waitlist. Bitch, I don't even know what the fuck today is. My dick hard.
Fucked up. Fuck your nightlist, fuck your daylist, fuck your waitlist. I'm from the D. Fuck your. Oh shit, I fucked it up. Fuck your daylist, fuck your playlist. I'm from the D. Fuck your waitlist. I've been working 8 days a week. I don't even know what the fuck today is, motherfucker. Fuck you. Fuck your mama. Fuck your grand. Look at that.
Fuck your son. You bitch.
Fuck that biking ass bitch. So goofy ass. Oh, look at that. Fuck your nightlist, fuck your damn. I think bro officially the front man.
I'm the backbone of what it is, bitch. Dang.
All right, so we sliding the O Block. And for all y'all that don't know what the fuck O Block is, that's King Von Block. You know what I'm saying? Like
64,
we 6 minutes away, you know, 64th, you know what I'm saying? Because we don't fuck with 63rd. So we like,
somebody got their ass
damn. So we was like 6 minutes away. So we was like, fuck it, let's go to the O real quick, you know what I'm saying? So we about to go to Parkway Gardens and see what it's all about, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my pops.
Shout out to my OG. Shout out to all my OGs. I don't know.
He don't got nobody to shout out to, but it's all good.
Lame, bitch. Yeah.
Go. If y'all see any sketchy shit, bro, just warn a brother. Look at that.
I'm gonna say, hey, Jordan on a Hennessy bottle.
Oh my god. We in the ghetto. Look at that.
Oh,
nigga, it says stay safe on the floor.
We really built like this for real, nigga.
Merch. We really in the for real.
There we go. Oh, RP Vaughn.
Oh shit.
I thought it was like in the gate. And then bust a U and park on the street, so then we could just take our picture and then get back in the car. Right here, too.
I ain't bet. Come on, Donnie. Oh, it's Dog TV. When they taking a quick little. They taking a pic and shit. This nigga got a bullet hole in his car. What the fuck? He taking a pic by it. This shit lit, bro.
A few moments later.
Alright, so currently right now we're eating Cane's. We just got done dashing. I'm gonna show y'all how much I made. And that was from just doing like a couple dashes. Like it was actually pretty lit. Like it was like a lot of like $2 and $3 promotions. I didn't do that much, but like it wasn't bad for the ones that I did do. So yeah, if anybody's thinking about coming to Chicago to dash, it's really a good place. Like it's a busy, I mean it's the 3rd biggest city in the world, so it's like, you said what?
You gotta go out.
Hell yeah. Like if I would've went hard, like I could've went crazy, you know what I'm saying? I could've ran up like 150 in this motherfucker.
It's like you gotta come here like 6 in the morning and really just like drive all day.
Yeah, damn near. Like if you're like driving all day or something like that. And they got a thing where customers can pay you in cash. And we don't have that shit anymore. So that shit was really cool. So.
Would you trust that though? Cause what if niggas don't? What if they like nah? What if they like nah?
What you mean?
Like if they gotta pay in cash after you drop it off?
Yeah, you drop it off to them, they give you the money.
What if they don't give you the money?
Then you crack them in their shit. You know.
You have to start robbing niggas out their food.
It's the Cane's. Shit's fire.
I'm already knowing Texas fire. What the fuck?
It's been real.
Gotta let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the black. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief.